If we wish to achieve a sustainable future, we must face the greatest challenge of our time, climate change. But in Australia, we are still heavily dependent on coal, an inherently unsustainable fossil fuel. To mitigate climate change, we must reimagine a modernised grid that is on the path to decarbonisation, and rooftop solar is the most viable option. The potential production of solar energy is 245 terawatt hours each year, but Australia is only consuming 200 of this. Additionally, only 5% of the country's rooftop solar capacity is being utilised by households. So why has shifting the Australian population towards solar been such a challenge?
Hey, my name's Celine, and as you can see, I do have a solar panel installed on my house, but it's only used to heat water. I would love more, but unfortunately the short-term costs always seem to outweigh the long-term benefits.
My name is Jen and I stay in Mckibben. I stay in an apartment like many other Australians. If I want to install solar panels, I need to get the consent of the other residents.
I'm Zor, and I'm from Sydney. I'd like to get solar panels, but they wouldn't generate enough power to meet my needs.
Hi, my name's Tom, and I live in North Sydney. I'd like to get solar, but the design of my roof means that it's incompatible.
I'm Martin. I reside in the Northern Beaches. I like solar panels, but I'm concerned I couldn't manage them or identify them when they break.
If we wish to tackle the sustainability of our economy, environment, and society, we must release the 95% of rooftop solar energy that remains untapped. This requires us to reconsider how we build homes, integrate solar, monitor its performance, and distribute power. To achieve this, we have developed 4 innovative technologies that improve the efficacy and adoption of solar panels.
First, we must reconsider how we build. No longer can solar be integrated into buildings as an afterthought. It must become the very material we build from. To function effectively, solar panels require the position to be optimized. Building integrated photovoltaics achieve this by integrating solar panels into building materials. Greater proportions of a building can be covered in solar panels. This reduces the heat absorbed by the building, allowing it to stay cool through the harsh Australian summer. In addition, it increases the energy production of the building, allowing it to meet a greater proportion of its energy demands. If solar is to be integrated to its full capacity, every aspect of the building must become a power plant, meeting the energy needs of the future.
Second, we must not limit this revolution in power to new buildings. We must find ways to integrate our existing housing stock. In order to mitigate the issue of poorly designed roofs, we need dynamic insulations that track the sun. We developed a solar tracker capable of such a feat. Its aluminium frame is strong enough to withstand the elements, whilst light enough to be installed on residential roofs without reinforcement. Its single-axis tracking ensures simplicity, keeping costs low. By integrating solar tracking into existing homes, a 10 to 20% increase in power output can be achieved. In turn, this helps release the 95% of solar energy that remains untapped.
Third, we must consider the entirety of a solar system's lifespan, not just its installation. 51.8% of solar systems underperform. This number must be reduced if we wish to ensure the feasibility of rooftop solar. We have developed advanced monitoring technology that detects failures and system degradation. It can be installed without the assistance of an electrician, keeping costs low and aiding in proliferation. Our system will alert you to failures, allowing you to immediately rectify it and maintain energy production.
Fourth, we must democratize the grid. The traditional grid is centralized. Power is produced using emission-intensive thermal coal and distributed through a vast network. But if we wish to tackle climate change and democratize energy production, we must disrupt these incumbent oligarchs. Energy fed into the grid by residential solar has historically been undervalued, commanding a price of only 6.9 cents per kilowatt hour, well below the retail rate of 31.2 cents per kilowatt hour. If we wish to make decentralized solar viable, producers must receive a fair price. To rectify this and push the value of rooftop solar electricity closer to the retail value, we propose the use of a virtual power plant. By integrating each rooftop solar system into a decentralized network, energy can be distributed amongst members, moving from areas of surplus to areas of demand. Simultaneously, competition in the energy sector can be increased, reducing costs for the end consumer.
By revolutionizing every aspect of energy production, from the integration of solar panels into buildings to the creation of an entirely new mode of energy distribution, unutilized solar energy can be released. This decentralized grid will meet the challenge of climate change head-on and avert the potential catastrophe.